Oregon is one of the most tenant-protective states in the country, and its habitability laws reflect that. If you're a landlord here, you're operating in a highly regulated environment, and staying compliant isn't optional, it's essential. Oregon's landlord obligations are laid out in the Oregon Residential Landlord and Tenant Act, found in Oregon Revised Statutes Chapter 90. This is one of the most detailed landlord-tenant statutes in the nation, and it spells out habitability requirements with precision. Under Oregon law, landlords must maintain the dwelling in a habitable condition at all times. That means keeping the structure weathertight and in good repair, maintaining plumbing in working order with adequate hot and cold running water, ensuring electrical systems are safe and functional, providing heating facilities capable of maintaining a reasonable temperature, installing and maintaining working smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, keeping the property free from rodent and insect infestations, providing adequate garbage receptacles and arranging for removal, and maintaining all supplied appliances in working condition. What really sets Oregon apart is the speed of its repair timelines. Oregon has some of the fastest mandatory response windows in the country. For essential services, meaning heat, water, electricity, or plumbing, the landlord has only 7 days to make the repair after written notice. For non-essential repairs, you get 30 days. And for emergency situations that pose an immediate threat to health or safety, tenants can pursue remedies without any waiting period at all. Oregon tenants have powerful remedies when landlords fail to act. They can make repairs and deduct up to 1 month's rent. They can pursue rent reduction for the diminished value of the unit. They can terminate the lease if the issue involves essential services that aren't restored within the 7-day window. And they can recover damages in court, including up to 2 months' rent in some circumstances. Oregon also has one of the strongest anti-retaliation laws in the nation. Landlords cannot raise rent, decrease services, increase obligations, or file for eviction within 6 months of a tenant making a habitability complaint, requesting repairs, or contacting code enforcement. And in Oregon, the burden shifts to the landlord to prove that any adverse action taken during that 6-month window was not retaliatory. One more thing Oregon landlords need to know. The state has specific requirements around carbon monoxide detectors that go beyond many other states. Detectors are required in all dwelling units that contain a carbon monoxide source or that have an attached garage, and the landlord is responsible for installation and maintenance. For the complete guide to Oregon habitability laws, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Subscribe to our channel to stay on top of landlord-tenant law in every state.